Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 18th lesson and our lesson topic is YouTube intro with CapCut. So in this class you'll be learning about how to create YouTube intros with the help of CapCut. And this is a video where we are going to use the CapCut templates. So now let's go over to the CapCut web-based application and see how we are going to create a YouTube intro. After coming over to the CapCut, you will have this interface, and now let's go over here and search for YouTube intro, and then let's search for this one, and it will just show us different type of intros. You can just see, if you hover over here, it will just take some time and it will just load your particular intro over there. So now you can see like this, you can create your own intro. We'll be using the first one only. So let's select the first one and let's see how it look. So now let's click on use this template. After clicking, it will just open another window where you can just edit your particular intro video. One thing we have to do, we'll upload our particular logo for our particular intro. So let's click over here, upload, and then upload file. Click on that, and I just already downloaded a particular logo for our particular video. So you can see our logo is Color Studio. So let's upload this one. It will take some time to upload, and afterwards you can just customize this one. So now you can see it's already here. Now let's play our particular intro once again and see where we are going to make some changes. We're going to make changes over here, only the name, because already I uploaded our particular logo over here. Just I need to change our particular name over here, channel name. Let's go over here, select, and right here, Color Studio. You can change the background color. Let's select a background color which is related to our particular logo. So we selected this background color, but it's not showing. Let's try a different one. It will take some time to load. You can see we're not able to change actually. So there might be a setting. You can just change this one. So I hope you all understand till this much. Now let's go and export this one. We are going to use our particular intro for our coming videos. So let's export this first. Download in 180p, high quality. And then let's click on download, and it will take some time to download. Afterwards, your particular intro will be saved in your PC. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.